Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide everyone how to download the game NBA 2K5 on a PC or laptop so everyone can play it. First, everyone open a web browser for me. Next, go to the official website of Steam for me. I'll leave the website link below in the video description. When you click the link, it will take you to this page. Next, click on Install Steam. Select Install Steam. Once the Steam installer is downloaded, left-click here to start the installation. Select Yes. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Select Finish. Log into your Steam account. If you don't have a Steam account, create one. After logging into your Steam account, search for the game NBA 2K5 here. This is the game NBA 2K5. Click on it. To download the game NBA 2K5 on your computer, we need to purchase the game. Click on Add to Cart. Select View My Cart. Click on Continue to Payment. Use a Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal to purchase the game. After purchasing the game, it will appear in the Libraries section. You'll see the game NBA 2K5 right here. Click on it. Click Install to start downloading and installing the game to your computer. After the installation is complete, we can play NBA 2K5 on our computer.